Hi guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, so yeah, I think it's time to get into it. Starting off with this one. Come on. Stupid idiot. There we go. We have got a BOVA FUTARA pin. As you can see, here's the front, and there's the back. This came all the way from the Netherlands. Funny enough, I just been on a BOVA. So next one, here is this one, and it was a BOVA. As I was saying, sorry, my phone just went to the desktop, don't know why. As I was saying, I've just been on a BOVA FUTARA YJ11 AMR, I think. I'll probably pop a photo in it when I upload it. What have we got here? Ooh. Okay, let's photo of a dog. Might keep that, to be fair. Oh, the main thing is we have got a couple of photos. I think about 3 in total. All of my local bus companies, or coach or minibus ones. They're mainly just coach ones, but there is a bus. I can figure out how to open this. There we go. Oh, I just farted. Said on camera. So first of all, we have a Poleham's Executive Travel. I think that's what they're called. Based in Broughton on the Water. And yes, as you've seen, I have been to their depot before, which is quite fun. This one I don't think they have anymore. And it is in their old livery style, which I kind of like better than the new one. I like the little cream bit there. And if I ever got Pullens, I'll probably maybe put it in that livery. I don't know. Registration plate is PDF 567. And yes, this one does have the Plaxton badge on it still, unlike mine. I was going to put the Volvo badge on it, but I've stuck it on my shelf instead, because that's not how Baker's left it. So I'm going to leave R4 and 5 how Bakers have left them, rather than put anything else back on. Well, obviously do them up a bit better, but still leave like the things that Bakers had on and didn't. Also, I'll put the CCTV back in as well. I have to find out what company Bakers uses. So yeah, this is Plaxton Premier. I don't know if it's a Javelin version or not, or a DAF or whatever, because it don't say. So yeah, here's front. There's the back. I'll just roll the credits, not the credits, the text now to tell you guys. I think that'll be long enough. So yeah, moving on. We have a Merchants of Cheltenham Spa. I know they don't have this one anymore. Registration N101 HGO. I think this was an ex-travel. I know it came from London originally, this one did. I'll probably put the companies in the text from now on that they used to belong to. So yeah, let's roll the text. So yeah, here's the front, there's the back. Moving on to the final thing in this video is a Henschel's Executive Travel based in Morton Marsh, and obviously Merchants are based in Cheltenham. I think anyways. I'm not too sure if Henschel's has this one now. I'm not too sure. They have similar ones, and I know they got rid of the EIG 9929 last year, I think it was. The year before, I can't remember. I think they said that's gone to Malta now, but they kept the number plate and put it on a Premier instead of the one with the circle backs on it. I'll probably just stick a photo of it in that corner and a new one in that corner if I find it on my phone. So yeah, this one is GL56HET. As you can see. Just roll the text now. So yeah, here's front, here's the back. I might see if I can go Henschel's depot this year in R4. So I do know the boss quite well. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail. Same goes with Bakers, I'll probably try them. And Marchants, and maybe Stagecoach. And Creswell, and Pullums again. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail. And obviously any other companies that I want to go to. There's a lot, probably all of them. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail now. There we go. Just do that. That's probably a bit better. 3, 4. There we go. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.